In today's electronics manufacturing industry, production efficiency and assembly consistency are more important than ever. Traditional manual screw fastening is often time-consuming, labor-intensive, and difficult to maintain at a consistent quality level. JHIMS provides an intelligent automation solution designed to make your production faster, more reliable, and more efficient. Introducing the JHIMS Automatic Screw Tightening and Removing Machine. Designed for modern electronics manufacturing, this intelligent system combines automatic screw tightening and automatic screw removal in one integrated platform, helping manufacturers improve productivity while reducing manual operations. Whether for mass production or product maintenance, the machine delivers stable, accurate, and repeatable performance. Built with a precision motion control system and intelligent screw feeding technology, the machine ensures smooth operation throughout every production cycle. The result is a faster production process with fewer assembly errors. Let's begin with the automatic screw tightening process. The system automatically feeds each screw to the screwdriver without manual handling. Using programmable torque control, every screw is tightened accurately according to your production requirements. This ensures excellent fastening consistency while reducing the risk of missing screws, over-tightening, or insufficient torque. The automated process significantly improves production efficiency and product quality. When maintenance, repair, or product rework is required, the machine can quickly switch to automatic screw removal mode. The intelligent control system removes screws smoothly and efficiently while protecting both the product and fastening components. Fast switching between tightening and removing operations minimizes production downtime and increases manufacturing flexibility. Different products often require different screw specifications. The JHIMS system is designed to support multiple screw sizes and can be customized to meet various production requirements. Whether your products use different screw lengths, diameters, or fastening positions, the machine can be configured to provide reliable and efficient operation. Its flexibility makes it an ideal solution for high-mix manufacturing environments. The machine is widely used in LED display manufacturing, consumer electronics, communication equipment, industrial electronics, electrical products, smart devices, automotive electronic components, and many other precision assembly applications. From small electronic modules to larger industrial products, JHIMS automation solutions help manufacturers achieve higher productivity with stable assembly quality. Visit www.jhims.com to learn more or contact our team for a customized automation solution.